What is the history of judicial review in the US federal system? Have you ever wondered how the courts can decide if a law is fair or not? This power is known as judicial review, and it plays a key role in the United States federal system. Let's take a closer look at its history and significance. Judicial review allows federal courts to examine laws and government actions. If these laws conflict with the Constitution, the courts can declare them void. Interestingly, while the United States Constitution does not explicitly mention judicial review, it has been a vital part of our judicial system since the nation began. During the Constitutional Convention, many of the framers understood and accepted the idea of judicial review. They believed courts should have the authority to invalidate laws that did not align with constitutional principles. This belief was influenced by earlier practices in British colonial governance and state courts, where some form of judicial review existed. After the Constitution was ratified, the Judiciary Act of 1789 established the federal court system. However, it did not specifically grant the power of judicial review. Despite this, both federal and state courts exercised this power in various cases before it was firmly established at the federal level. The landmark case that formally established judicial review was Marbury v. Madison in 1803. In this case, Chief Justice John Marshall stated that it is the duty of the Supreme Court to determine what the law is. He emphasized that the court has the authority to invalidate laws that conflict with the Constitution. This decision reinforced the system of checks and balances, ensuring that neither the legislative nor the executive branch could exceed constitutional limits without judicial oversight. From a viewpoint that values traditional family structures and the role of women in conservative politics, judicial review acts as a protector of constitutional principles. It ensures that laws passed by Congress or actions taken by the executive do not undermine foundational values or the rights that support family integrity and societal stability. In practical terms, judicial review allows courts to uphold laws that protect family values, religious freedoms, and the rights of women in their societal roles. It also enables courts to strike down laws that threaten these principles. Essentially, judicial review serves as a guardian of the Constitution, maintaining the balance of power and preserving traditional values within the nation's legal framework. The history of judicial review in the United States federal system is rooted in the intentions of the framers, early court practices, and was definitively established by the Supreme Court in 1803. This mechanism remains essential for protecting constitutional rights and supporting principles that uphold traditional family values and the important societal role of women.